Welcome to the channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mad Hatter with Mad Hatter Bags here. Y'all, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Mine is going really well. It's the weekend and I'm happy and excited to be off work. Y'all, today I have an unboxing of this really nice bag that I've been waiting to get and I'm really excited to get. It's a pre-loved bag. It's from Louis Vuitton and it came from Fashionphile, so I wanted to unbox it on the camera for y'all and let y'all see exactly what you can get from Fashionphile. Now, I do have a link for Fashionphile in the video, so if you'd like to shop my link, please feel free to. They have really good customer service, so if you're interested, don't hesitate. Y'all, I've been excited to get this bag all week and I'm so glad UPS just dropped it off about an hour ago, so I wanted to record it and use it this weekend. So let's go ahead, but before I do that and show you this unboxing and this nice pre-loved bag, I do want to say thanks to all of my current subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead while you're here, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you know the next time I have a new post. Now, if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I do a lot of fun stuff on my TikTok channel and I do post high quality images of everything I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check those out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, go ahead, check out my beacon links. You can find lots of great information there. And y'all, if everybody could just take a moment to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, I do appreciate the thumbs up and it does help the channel to grow. So let's go ahead and get on with the unboxing of this beautiful bag, and I'm going to tell you what it is real quick. This is going to be the Deauville from Louis Vuitton, and this bag was made in 1998, okay? So it's an older bag. I don't know if it's actually vintage. Maybe you can tell me in the comments what you think. Now, before I got this bag from Fashionphile, I did a lot of research and looking over bags from the past to see which one I wanted. So this one I think will fit my lifestyle, and it is a top handle bag, so I'm really excited to see it. And it looked like it was in really good shape on Fashionphile, so from the pictures, I think it's gonna be a really good bag. So let's go ahead, unbox it, and we'll see what it looks like, okay? And it came in a cardboard box like this. UPS delivered it, like I said, just about an hour ago. So let's cut into it and see what I have here. I'm excited and kind of nervous at the same time to see the bag, so we will see. Just kind of excited to see exactly how Fashionphile packages this stuff too. So I'm actually glad I was home because UPS was supposed to be delivered between 4 and 8 today. And we got home a little bit early from shopping and it was 2 o'clock and UPS showed up. So otherwise, since it's a holiday, I don't know that I would have got the bag on time, okay? All right, so we're in the box here. Let's open it up here. All right, and from the bottom of this box, thank you. All right, let me show you the box here real quick. It's kind of big and it looks like there's some confetti or something in here. All right, y'all, so there is the box. It says from the bottom of the box, thank you. So let's see what we have inside. I did see some little confetti fall out of it. That's a cute little touch. So they put some confetti down in it. Nice little confetti pieces. All right, let's unwrap the bag here and see what we've got here inside. All right. All right, so I will show you the inside of the box here. It's got the Fashionphile logo and everything on it, and some little confetti pieces, but let's get the box out of the way because what we really want to see is what's inside of it. All right, so here it is, y'all. Take this little protective paper off here and let's see what we got. Let's see, and it does have a little sticker on it here that says used is the new you. So I'm excited, y'all. All right, and there's the little dust bag, the Fashionphile dust bag that it came in. So let's untie it and see what we've got here. It. All right, y'all. I'm excited. Oh, I don't want to look, but I do. All right, y'all ready? Here is the bag. Wow. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. It smells so good too. All right, and let me just look over it a little bit here. It's got a Fashionphile tag on it there. So this is the Deauville, y'all. I just love it. I can't wait to dress it up and use it. All right, y'all, here she is. I'm so happy with this bag and it looks really nice. I've looked it over and all of the details on it look beautiful. So this is the front side of it, as you can see. It's a beautiful monogram bag and it has the vachetta leather on it. So it's really nice. This vachetta does have a really beautiful and even patina on it. So I'm really excited and happy about that. And everything looks really beautiful on this bag. I don't see any major flaws on it. Let's do a 360 and I'll go over some details and we can look at it up close together. So here's the side of it. I love this bag because it has a double zipper and you can unzip it all the way down so you can really get inside of it. There's the back side of it. All of the monogram on it looks beautiful. There's the other side there. And then let me show you the bottom of it, okay? There is the bottom there. The bottom looks really nice. I don't see any like scuff marks or damage on any of the corners as well. It has a beautiful long pocket here on the front side too, and that's really nice. And it has that vachetta trim on it there that's patinaed. So, all right. And then on the top, y'all, you have this beautiful double zipper pull there with your gold zippers with the logos and everything on it. So everything looks really beautiful on it, y'all. The handles are really nice. Now, I believe this bag originally come with a strap, which I'm not really unhappy that it didn't come with a strap because I probably won't use it. It also come with a luggage tag, and this one unfortunately did not have the luggage tag. So I actually got my own tag. I'll show you in a minute that I got from airportag.com. Thanks to Coach Gene. He recommended that website to me a while back, and I've got a few tags from them. They have some really cute stuff. You should check them out. But I'm really happy with this, y'all, and I'll put the tag on it in a minute. Let me just show you the rest of the bag. We'll go on the inside, and I'll show you the interior here, but I'm really, really happy with it so far. All right, y'all, let's unzip this Deauville and see how the interior looks. We'll unzip it all the way down and see what we've got on the interior. So there's the zipper. It does have some stuffing on the inside. Let's get that out of there. Okay, all right, and there is the interior from my first time seeing it. So, all right, so this bag has several pockets on the inside of it. It's got two big areas. It's got some little elastic pieces at the bottom to put bottle holders, and then a couple of other slip pockets. And this older style had like a coated canvas interior with the vachetta trimming, and it's really nice as well. And I think it really holds up too and stands the test of time for these bags. It doesn't have a bad smell to it. It does have kind of an attic-y smell, but nothing bad. So that is the interior here. Let me show you. And like I said, you've got two big pockets here that are like kind of like slip pockets, but they're really deep. You could put some stuff in. And then on the other side here, you have the same thing, two little big slip pockets there on this side. And then I don't know if you can see, but down on the very bottom, there's some elastic little bands here that you can, you know, put like a bottle or something in. It's gonna hold it. This was originally like a travel bag, so that's why it's designed like that. But the coated canvas interior is wipeable almost, so it really stands the test of time. So it's really, really nice. Let me show you the tag on it here. There is the Louis Vuitton tag that come on it. All right, there. So there is the little tag, and it has your date code and all on the very back of it, if you can see the date code there. So a 1998 bag, but for a 1998 bag, I'm really, really happy with it, and I think it's in really, really good shape. So I'm really happy with it. Thank you, Fashionphile. I'm really excited to style her and wear her out. So let me show you the airport tag that I got to go with it. It's really cute. All right, y'all, let me show you this airport tag that I ordered from airportags.com to go with the bag. Thank you, Coach Gene, for recommending them. I love them. They come in this little dust bag here, and it says the logo on it for airportag.com. And then there's the back of it. It's kind of a little silky bag with the little drawstrings, but let me get to the tag here. And it did come with this little paperwork here saying thank you. And your tag comes in this little carrying case to protect it. But I got my logo. It's a custom logo on it. And that is my channel's logo. I just think it's really cute. It has like airportag.com around the little circle there. And it comes with a little attachment piece there that you can use, or you can get your own, but has the little logo there with MHB, and it's just a damn dust bag, y'all. And my little kitty, I think is really beautiful. And this was about $35, y'all, for this little tag for it to be customized, but they have some cheaper ones if you just want to look through them. They have tons and tons of these airport tags to put on your luggage or your bags or whatever you want to do with them. So the back side of it is customized and has all of your information on it, which I'm not really going to show on camera, but I'll just let you know it's there, and you can put whatever you want in those little lines on the back. So a really cute little additive to the bag. Let's put it on and see how it looks. All right, y'all, here it is with my little luggage tag on it. Really, really cute. I'm so happy with this little addition to my new Deauville, and I'm really happy and excited to use this bag. It's really, really nice. Thank you, Fashionphile. Y'all, if you do want to check out any of Fashionphile's bags, I do have that link in my description you can use, so go ahead and check them out. I really appreciate y'all for watching this video, y'all, and I'm really in love with this bag. It's really, really more than what I thought it was as far as the quality of it, so don't be afraid to buy pre-loved as well. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead while you're here, hit that subscribe button, and y'all have a safe and happy Memorial Day weekend. I'll see everybody on my next video review. Bye.